I'm Angelique Newman with the Omnia Group, and I'm here to tell you a little bit about Jim Ardema and Strategic Management Arts. They've done several projects for us, and we've been very pleased with the work that they've provided. The quality of work has been exceptional. Jim is fantastic to work with. He's friendly, he's on time, very personable, and he's been a pleasure to have, not only working with one-on-one, but also to have in our office to do specific project work. And I think that's an important aspect, to know that you've got somebody who can fit into your culture and accommodate all the needs, and be very easygoing when we have specific issues of our own, sound issues and whatnot. Jim with Strategic Management Arts is definitely my pick for any type of video or media work, and we'll continue to work with him in the future, and you should consider it as well.